Hello, SLCA community. My name is Annie, and I am a coach and trainer with Beacon Empowerment Strategies. And I will be visiting your center on February 20th to host a forgiveness workshop called Removing the Barriers to Our Heart. I'd love for you to join us at this workshop where we will jump into a practice of Desmond Tutu's fourfold path to forgiveness. It's a tool and an approach to forgiveness that makes the oftentimes difficult and hard process a little bit easier. I'll also be sharing with you self-forgiveness tools and other practices that you can incorporate into your life to feel freer and happier and to forgive and let go of the things that take away from our happiness. I'm looking forward to spending time with you. I'll see you February 20th.